one and all present here. Today, I, Kumkum Mandhanya,
and I, Shraddha Paik Mangalkar,
on behalf of Center for Human Rights, Symbiosis Law School, Hyderabad, extend a warm and a hearty welcome to dignitaries on the Dhyaneshwar M. Mule, Member of National Human Rights Commission. Our guests of honor are Mr. M. Venkateshwarlu, President of Telangana Chambers of Commerce and Industry, Dr. Sukhwinder Singh Dari, Director, Symbiosis Law School, Nagpur, Professor Dr. Afzal Wani, Professor, School of Law, GG-SIPU, Professor Dr. Manik Chakrabarti, former Director, UGC, Academic Staff College, University of Burdwan, our Director, Professor Sarfaraz Ahmed Khan, Deputy Director, Dr. Anuradha Benuri, Head, Center for Human Rights, Mr. Ahmed Afaq, our guests, faculty members and students to the inaugural ceremony of our flagship event, Converse 20, on the theme Business and Human Rights.
the rights. I welcome all our distinguished dignitaries and request them to come forward and light the lamp.
Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Dhaneshwar Manohar Mule sir, Professor Dr. Afzal Wani sir, Professor Surya Deva sir, who will make his address through Skype, Professor Dr. Manik Chakrabarti sir, my colleague Anuradha Benuri, Deputy Director, Ahmed Afaq, and former Director of Symbiosis Law School, Hyderabad. Dearest to all of you, and I know that today's gathering is basically half of the gathering, or most of you are here to see our Dr. Sukhwinder Singh Dari. My colleague, my students, administrative staff of this university, warm good morning to all of you. It is indeed a great privilege for us and honor for all of us. Among us we have Dr. Next time I communicate to NHRC, we have excellent campus, we have excellent accommodations. Why can't we spend a day with sir? And suddenly yesterday we came to know that sir will stay with us, and everyone were very happy. Sir, your humbleness, the way you interacted with us, the simplicity, it's unparalleled. We are really grateful to you, sir, for coming to Symbiosis Law School, Hyderabad, and we want to work with National Human Rights Commission in future. I am really grateful to Professor Dr. Afzal Wani, sir. We welcome you, sir, to also Symbiosis Law School, Hyderabad. It might be your first visit to this campus. But we ensure you, sir, that frequently we'll disturb you, and I hope you can come to us and interact with our students in much more informal atmosphere in the classroom. Mr. M. Venkateshwarlu, sir, the President, Telangana Chamber of Commerce and Industry. As soon as we started these programs, planning these programs for business and human rights, the first thought which comes to our mind that we must connect to the consortiums of industries which are there in the Hyderabad. Sir, we are really grateful to you, sir, and welcome you to Symbiosis Law School, Hyderabad. It might be your first visit, sir, but we'll definitely want to work with the industry. We want to work with the leaders of the industries which are there in the Hyderabad and Telangana. So welcome you, sir. Brother Dr. Surya Deva, who is not present here, but he will join us through Skype. I do welcome him also. We all know these health issues, virus issues in China and Hong Kong. Some flights are cancelled, so he cannot join person, he cannot come here to Hyderabad, but he agreed to deliver his keynote address through Skype. So in his absence here, I also welcome him. He will join soon. I welcome Sukhvinder Siddhari ji. Today is for me is complete 1 year at Symbiosis. My last visit was Converse 2019. That day when I came as a guest, it was the whole idea to see Symbiosis and decide whether to join Symbiosis or not. So Dari sir was a director that point of time at Hyderabad. So it's my 1 year, and after 1 year, it's almost 1 year for you also when you left in the month of March. So again, welcome back to Symbiosis Law School, Hyderabad, and we hope you come more frequently. The student wants your visit. And they will come with some proposals for your visit soon, just next month, and I hope you can agree to their demand. I welcome our another guest, Professor Dr. Manik Chakravarti sir, who is also happen to be my teacher, and it's a privilege for any students to see teachers are there in their presence. So I welcome sir to Symbiosis Law School, Hyderabad. I welcome my other guests who are there, who came from the different parts of the countries. Before ending my welcome address, I welcome students, participants who come from the different part of the country to present the paper. And the real force for any conferences are the people who did research work, who written their paper, who wanted to contribute the paper, and they came from the different part to present their research work in the conference. In any academic institutions, the conferences, seminars, symposiums are the real festival. So when we assemble here, we are celebrating it as a festival because the purpose of the university is to create knowledge, disseminate knowledge, and there could be nothing better platform than the seminar and conferences. And we are working hard to have more and more these kinds of festivals on the campus so that we all can learn something during the process. These issues, business and human rights, is one of the most serious issues for which every one of us must be concerned. What kinds of obligations the business organizations should have? We have not forget the Bhopal tragedy. So if a business organization's mistake may take the lives of the thousands and thousands of people. Business organization decisions may affect adversely the peoples where the mining is going on, and area after areas are displaced. Business organizations policy may help a large number of trafficking which take place at the source country from the goods were made and supplied to some developed countries, and the company sitting in the US or other developed countries has obligations that no exploitations taken place in the entire supply chain. When we see different reports, particularly Global Slavery Index, when we have a glance at those reports, we see what kinds of role a business organization has in the violations of human rights. And now at the time when the United Nations also come up with the guidelines that what kinds of obligations business industries has, it's the appropriate time that this conference will discuss those obligations. This conference will look into how the business organizations be more human, and they can at the same time generating wealth and economical development of the country. At the same time, they can also contribute the improving the lives of the people who are there throughout the countries. So with this hope that this conference will generate more informations, more literature, more knowledge, disseminate those knowledge, and we are definitely going to come up with the publications out of this conference, which will be a contributions in the literature on business and human rights. With these few words, I welcome all of you to Symbiosis Law School, Hyderabad, and let's celebrate these festivals of the knowledge creation and dissemination. So welcome you all. Thank you.